Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good afternoon to everyone. So today, we will do our first meeting for our problem-based statement task, which is for the programming logic controller subject. So first of all, I would like uh, to give everyone their task and their job. So first of all, can we know who would be the chairman? Like, so from the current vote, it looks like, okay, I'm the one who will be the chairman. So my name is Muhammad Rami bin Muhammad Anwar. So I will be the chairman for this task and this group. So for the vice chairman, it will be Amsha. Amsha, can you introduce yourself?
Yes, I will be vice chairman for this project. So my name is Muhammad Shah bin Muhammad Aziz,
Okay,
and will
thank you,
be
Amsha.
act as a vice chairman for this.
Okay, thank you, Amsha. Uh, So next we will have our secretary. So for this task, our secretary will be Mifdal. Mifdal, can you introduce yourself? Tell a
Okay.
little.
Okay, so I'm assigned to be the secretary of this group, and my name is Wan Mifdal Hakimi bin Wan Jafar.
Okay, thank you, Mifdal. So next, uh, our timer slash thinker will be Afik. So Afik, please introduce yourself. Afik, are you there?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can. Is your
Yeah,
camera on? Okay.
my name is Muhammad Afiq bin Yuzani. I will be the timer and thinker for this project.
Okay, thank you, Afik. So we have two reporter for this task, which is to balance the work. So the two reporter will be Ashraf and our only female members, which is Damia. Can you introduce yourself? Ashraf first.
Um, my name is Muhammad Ashraf Shakib bin Kamarunism, and my job is as a reporter for this PBL.
So my name is Damia Inani bint Abdurrahman. So I will be the reporter for this PBL.
Okay, thank you. So, and then we will have three researcher, which we have choose three of our expert. Uh, for from their spe from their expertise. So three of our researcher will be Taqiyuddin, Hazim, and also Mio. So three of you can you introduce yourself? We start with Taqiyuddin.
Okay, thank you, Hadromi. My name is Muhammad Takiuddin bin Zubir. So I will be one of the researchers for this PBS.
Okay,
Okay,
next.
thank you, Mr. Chairman. My name is Muhammad Hazim bin Hamdan, and I'll be the second researcher for this group. Yeah, that's all for me.
Yeah, my name is Muhammad Salim bin Manjala, and I will be the third researcher along with Takiuddin and Hazim.
Okay, thank you. So that's all the job that everyone is given. So each one of us have our own task to do. So to summarize what we have to do for our problem-based statement task is that we required to investigate how PLC and SEADA system can be integrated into smart factories as part of Industrial Revolution 4.0, or a short form which people usually call IR 4.0. So this involves understanding cyber physical system, IoT, cloud computing, and how they relate to process automation and data acquisition. So our objective will be to understand the PBL scenario and clarify the problem statement. It's also to sign group roles and responsibility, which we just did, and also to brainstorm ideas related to PLC and SCADA application in IR 4.0, and also to decide on the project direction and technology to explore. So we also need to set timeline and plan for research, simulation, and documentation. So we have already give our job give out the job to everyone, the responsibility to everyone. So right now, can we have the researcher to tell us a bit like what you have find? Because this is the first meeting, we just want to understand first what our scenario is, what we try to go further in the future, because this is the first meeting after all. We can't really do like too deep inside first in the first meeting. Let's start with Takiuddin. Can you show me your research?
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chairman. Okay, for my research, it's about the role of PLC in industrial automation for Industry 4.0. So, a PLC is an industrial digital computer designed to control manufacturing process such as machine on factory, assembly line, or robotic system. It continues to monitor input, make logic-based decision, and control output for automated machinery. PLC are also known as robust, fast, and reliable, which makes them ideal for harsh industrial environment. So, factories becoming smart, which means the system must be connected, automated, and intelligent. So what makes PLC relevant in IR 4.0 is communicate with sensor, actuator, and other devices via industrial protocol like Ethernet, IP, Profinet, and so on. So connect to SCADA, IoT gateways, and cloud platform, enabling remote monitoring and predictive maintenance, and the real-time data processing, ensuring machine respond immediately to change in the environment. So in smart factories today, PLC are used in systems such as automated bottling and packaging lines, energy management in industrial buildings, and robotic arm for precise manufacturing. Okay, so PLC are just no longer just standalone controller. They're just becoming smart nodes in a larger connected and intelligent ecosystem. So I think that's all for one of the research. Back to the chairman.
Okay, thank you, Taki, for your concise research. So next, our second researcher, which is Hazim, right? Hazim?
Yes,
Sorry,
Mr. Chairman.
Yes, okay. Can you
Yeah.
tell me about your research as well?
All right, everyone. Okay, I will be explaining what our second research topic, which is integration of SCADA system with IoT and cloud technologies in smart factories. Okay, first of all, I will explaining what is SCADA. SCADA stands for Supervisory Control and Data Acquisition. It is a system that used in a factory to monitor and control equipment, such as sensor, valve, and also motor, from a central place. Traditionally, SCADA systems were limited to local network, meaning data could be only accessed inside the plant. But now, with the rise of Industry 4.0, SCADA systems are becoming much smarter. They are being integrated with First of all, IoT device which connect sensors and machine to the internet. Secondly, it's edge communicating, which process data near machine to reduce delay. And lastly, it's cloud computing, which allow to us to store and analyze visual factory data online. This shift allow for better decision making, real-time monitoring from anywhere, and advanced automation. For all this system to work together, we need communication protocol. Two major one of communication protocols are MQTT, which is a lightweight protocol used by IoT device to send small pieces of data over the internet. It is efficient and fast. The second one is OPC-UA, which is a standard protocol for industrial automation that enables secure and structured communication between machine and SCADA system. It is ideal for integrating modern cloud and edge system. This protocol act like language and let different device and platform to talk to each other. Bringing SCADA to the cloud has many benefits, such as operator can monitor system remotely on any device. And second one is historical data can be stored and analyzed for trends. Third one, we can use AI and machine learning for predictive maintenance. And lastly, overall, it makes the factory more scalable and intelligent. Cloud integration brings flexibility and long-term value. However, with greater connectivity come greater risk. Cybersecurity became a top priority in cloud-based SCADA. The key security measure includes encrypting data to protect it during its transmission. Secondly, it's use firewall and intrusion detection system. Third one is applying role-based access to control who can access or modify data. And lastly, it's ensuring regular updates to fix vulnerability. Without proper security, crucial industrial system could be at risk. Okay, to sum it up, all of that, SCADA system are evolving rapidly by integrating with IoT, edge, and cloud technologies. Protocols like MQTT and OPC-UA make communication smooth and efficient, while cybersecurity ensure everything stay protected. This integration is transforming traditional factories into smart, data-driven environment. Okay, thank you. Thank you for listening. That's all for the second research topic.
Okay, thank you, Azim. That's really detailed for first meeting. That's really good. So next, Mio, can you please give your research, share your research with us?
Okay, so for my research, basically after we know about PLC and SCADA, so we need to design and simulate the smart monitoring system using PLC and SCADA. So basically, why we need to use PLC and SCADA? Because we can show or demonstrate how they can work together to automate and monitor a real world manufacturing process. So this project is aligned with the Industry 4.0 concept, where automation, data exchange, and smart system are transforming manufacturing. So by using PLC for process control and SCADA for real-time monitoring, we can simulate the core elements of a modern industrial environment. So the tools that I found from the research that we can use is first one, TIA portal for PLC programming using Siemens S7 1200 or S7 1500. Second one is Factory IO to create a 3D simulation of a sorting or packaging system. And last one that I have found is WinCC integrated in TIA portal for building the HMI or SCADA interference. So by using this tool, it can help us to model, test, and visualize the system without needing the physical hardware. So we will focus on the four main areas. First one is system design. Second one is PLC programming, where we we creating the control logic using ladder diagram, as we know. Third one is SCADA interaction, by designing the user-friendly dashboards to monitor the system. And last one is real-time feedback to ensure the data from sensor and devices is live and visible through the interface. So for expected outcome that I found from this research, first one is to build a working simulation of a smart manufacturing process. And second one is to show how data flow between PLC, SCADA system, and simulate devices. And last one is to show the demonstrate real-time monitoring, control, and error handling. So for the next meeting, maybe we can finalize the system concept. For example, what we want to choose, sorting or packaging, and we can start the building the simulation and develop and test PLC logic in TIA portal and also integrate the HMI for control and feedback. I think that's all for me for my research.
Okay, thank you, Mio. That's really good planning you have. So, timer and slash thinker. How many minutes have we doing this meeting now?
Already 16 minutes.
16 minutes. Okay. So from the what the researcher have give us, so I think we on the right track for now. So I think the job currently is that we need to do more research on the topic, of course, because of although it detail, it doesn't like focus on one system. It doesn't focus on like one issue yet, because we can't do everything, right? We only have like three researcher and we fill in the. So I would say we have discussed the PLC in the brain and automation and SCADA provides, and we also say that we should provide visual details. So I'm hoping that next week, I think we can do the next meeting, and I think we should be able to provide visual data as well. I'm hoping for that. And I do hope with the visual data we can use we can show the cloud-based logging, which we could for the real world monitoring, and also we could maybe like review software option from like your portal factory, and also I'm hoping that each of us will do our own research as well, not just the three researcher is the expert, right? But we have 9 people here, so I'm hoping that everyone will help each other with the research. And then I think we should give the role, right? Let's say the first researcher, Takyudin. Who do you like to have as your helper? Let's say that.
Because of the what you call it, I think I will choose Achap because he's the most suitable for me. I think that's it.
Okay, Ashraf, are you okay with that?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Nice,
Okay,
Ashraf.
so Ashraf will be okay, nice. So Ashraf will be helping Takyudin with his research, and Hazim, who would you like to have as your helper?
Maybe I will choose what we've done because I know him better. Better than anyone
Okay.
else. So I think I choose what we've done.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Yeah, it's good to have people you know to work with, right? So lastly, Mio, would you like to have as your helper?
For me, I think because this is like quite important because we need to design and simulate. So maybe if 4 of you can help me because it's quite hard, to we need to like programming and we need to program the HMI also. I think Afiq can help me. I'm sure can help me. The chairman Hadrami also can help me. Damia also can help me.
I agree with that suggestion.
Yes, because this one is quite big to do because we need to design and simulate the manufacturing system. So I think if two people,
Okay, I see.
it will might be hard for to do it.
Yeah, I see, I see. So yeah, I think also so me, Damia and Amsha and Afiq will be helping you, right?
Yes, yes. Thank you,
Yeah,
thank you.
I see. Okay, so should we give the task now or should we like just send via email later?
I think maybe email.
Email, okay.
Ah,
Yeah, I think so, right? Because we need like I think we can't just give it away now because we might give it to the wrong person. Like each of us have our own specialty, have our own like good and bad. So yeah, I think that's all for our first meeting. I think uh I think we have achieved a lot today. We have our like we already have our timeline and we already have like our what we want to do with our research. So yeah, I will I would like to see I think the next meeting will be next week. Next week we should be able to do the next
Can
meeting.
can
And
I
I'm hoping
interrupt?
everyone can have the time. Yes, yes.
Can I interrupt?
Oh, you have yes, yes,
Yes, I
sure.
have something to
You have
say.
any
Yes.
okay.
So just to summarize this before we go into divide into tasks. So based on the assessment brief from the marking scheme, there is two tasks. So for the first one is the task number one, is the problem solving, which we have to present. So solve and explain IR 4.0 system integration and identify triggers, which is the problem statement. Uh, how can we implement PLC into IR 4.0 through SCADA, right? Okay, so it's the first task. And the second task consists of 40 marks, the report writing. So the basic points, introduction, methodology, compilation of result, analysis, conclusion, reference. So I want to summarize the what we have discussed before, what we have discussed. So in our slide, um, I think I would like to see the what the explanation about the PLC and SCADA and also the design from our researchers. And as the researchers told before that we have system design, we have to focus on PLC programming, SCADA interaction and real-time feedback. So this is all the important point that we have to put into our slides. So make sure we have to divide the task properly and everyone can commit to their task. Okay, that's all from me.
Okay, thank you, Wan. I actually forget about that as well. Thank you for reminding me. So yeah, as Wan said, we have two tasks basically. So we have the presentation and we have also the report, and so we have to make sure that the report is also as clean as the presentation. So the two people that are responsible for the report need to do I would say the QC, the quality control of the report basically. So yeah, so I hope that there's two people, right? So Ashraf and Damia, I hope both of you will make sure the report turn out great. Everyone have to contribute in the report, of course, but the two of you are responsible to make sure the report follow the right format. So thank you all for this meeting. We will have our next meeting probably next week. I will tell you the exact date via email. So that's all from me. I think is there anyone? I take that as a no. So that's all. Thank you everyone and Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank
Okay,
you.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Stop.